This is going to be the first flush. Let's see if we get any leaks. Jesus! Whoa! Right, we are in the toilet. And it's now installed in. The water is off. I'm going to test it for the first time ever. The first flush with you guys here. Let's test it. Whoa! Jesus! Whoa! Pressure. Oh, it's a bit dirty. Get that dirt out. A bit of dirt in there. Oh. Might have a bit of mud stuck in the pipe. Go on, get it out. Go on, girl. I'm gonna open a pipe on the outside, open it up, and we'll flush this bit of mud out. All right, so we're on the outside. I've got the outside pipe here, and if I take this stop cap off, it should shoot water everywhere. You can still see it. Woo! Get that air out, boy. Go on. There we go. All right, now this is the fun part where I've got to try and get it back on without getting wet. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Got a little bit wet, but no blockages anymore. Let's go back inside. Okay, so I've just taken the inlet out. You can see it here, and you can see that there's a bit of grit and shit. And yes, this is fully clogged up with shit. It wouldn't have taken a lot to fill this filter. It is tiny. So I'm just gonna quickly eat this. Okay, I've cleaned it. I've put it back in. It's all connected. Now I need to turn the water back on and see if it works. Let's test it. Okay, it's coming in. That's full whack. Full whack coming in. Test the flush pipe. I've had to put a flexi flush pipe on, which you can just see there, the smaller pipe, which I've never used before in my life. This system had to be offset from the centre of the toilet because I've put an air vent in there, basically for all the gases. Okay, let's try it. Is that going to stop? You better stop, mister. You better stop. When it overflows, it should stop. Okay, so I need to adjust that so it's a bit lower. But, okay, let's have a look. I've got my flush ready. This is going to be the first flush. Let's see if we get any leaks. All right, let's go. Let's push it in. First full flush. Okay. Water has gone down there. We're obviously refilling here. Any water on the floor? Is that water down there? Got a bit of water? No, it's not. That's just a bit of dust that's been wiped off. Any water there? I don't think. I don't want to say it. I'm definitely not going to say it. We haven't got any weeps yet. I do need to adjust this to bring this down a little bit. Can't see any weepos. I'm going to flush it, and we're going to keep the camera there. Let's go. I think it's okay. We just check the outlet as well. Qualified plumber! I'm a qualified plumber! Let's just look at the comments for all the people saying, why has he done it like that? Oh, plumber wouldn't do it like that. Shut up! I'm bodging it, alright? It's good, it's not leaking, it's in. All I need to do is just push this toilet back, that 10mm, put the lid on, cut the flusher into the centre of the top, and I think we have a running toilet. I'm gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna come back in the morning and test it again, but I think it's okay. So, GG's in chat. Let's go.